Did you know that cinnamon is much more than just a simple spice? It's not just for flavoring your desserts or warm drinks. In fact, it's a true treasure with multiple benefits for both body and mind. In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 hidden secrets about cinnamon. Some will surprise you, and others will make you want to start using it today. And trust me, the last benefit is probably the most unexpected. So stay until the end to uncover it all. Cinnamon is the perfect ally for smooth digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and helps break down food more quickly. This can reduce feelings of bloating, heaviness after a meal, and even abdominal pain caused by poor digestion. If you're dealing with nausea or stomach cramps, a simple cup of cinnamon tea can quickly soothe your digestive system. It also helps regulate intestinal transit and can be useful for preventing constipation by promoting a better balance in the digestive system. One of the main active compounds in cinnamon, cinnamaldehyde, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This means it helps reduce inflammation in the body, particularly in the joints. For those suffering from chronic pain related to conditions like arthritis, cinnamon can provide natural relief. It also helps reduce internal inflammation, protecting organs and tissues from damage. When used regularly, cinnamon supports good mobility and helps prevent certain inflammatory diseases. Cinnamon is well known for its blood sugar regulating effect. By slowing down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, it helps prevent blood sugar spikes that can lead to fatigue and cravings. It's particularly beneficial for people looking to manage their weight or prevent type 2 diabetes. By consuming cinnamon regularly, you can maintain more stable blood sugar levels, which promotes consistent energy and better control over sugar cravings. Cinnamon isn't just good for your body, it also helps stimulate your brain. Its scent alone is enough to enhance focus and short-term memory. Regularly consuming cinnamon can also help protect nerve cells, contributing to the prevention of age-related cognitive decline. It promotes blood circulation to the brain, improving focus and learning abilities. By incorporating cinnamon into your routine, you give your brain a natural boost to function better every day. Cinnamon is an excellent source of antioxidants, those essential molecules that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are responsible for premature aging and many chronic diseases. The antioxidants in cinnamon help slow down the effects of aging and preserve cellular health. Regularly consuming this spice can also strengthen your body's resistance to infections and environmental stress while promoting healthier, more radiant skin. Cinnamon has notable benefits for heart health. It helps reduce bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol levels. This action helps prevent fat buildup in the arteries, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. In addition to its effects on cholesterol, it can also help lower blood pressure, easing the workload on the heart. Incorporated into your diet, cinnamon becomes a powerful ally for maintaining a healthy heart in the long term. Cinnamon can be an excellent ally in a weight loss program. By regulating blood sugar, it helps limit insulin spikes, which can prevent cravings and sugar urges. Additionally, cinnamon promotes a faster metabolism, helping to burn fat more efficiently. It also boosts thermogenesis, meaning the body burns more calories, even at rest. To enjoy its benefits, add a small amount to your drinks or meals. Of course, it's important to use it as a supplement alongside a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Cinnamon is a natural source of antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal compounds. These properties make it an excellent remedy to boost your immune system, especially in winter when infections are more common. It helps fight common infections like colds and soothes sore throats. A cup of cinnamon tea, combined with honey and lemon, is a great way to strengthen your natural defenses and prevent illness. By incorporating cinnamon into your diet, you strengthen your body's defense mechanisms and better protect your health. Cinnamon has remarkable antimicrobial properties. It acts against certain bacteria and fungi, helping to maintain a healthier indoor environment. Studies have shown that it can inhibit the growth of certain harmful bacteria, like E. coli, and assist in the fight against fungal infections such as candidiasis. That's not all. Thanks to its disinfectant properties, cinnamon can be used in natural hygiene solutions or even in homemade recipes to purify the air. It's an excellent natural remedy to protect your health against pathogens. Cinnamon is known for its mild aphrodisiac effects, thanks to its ability to stimulate blood circulation. By improving circulation, it helps increase energy and awaken the senses. This property is especially beneficial for enhancing libido while contributing to better physical performance. In some cultures, cinnamon has been used for centuries for its benefits on sexuality, often added to drinks or meals to create an atmosphere conducive to intimacy. Of course, its effect remains moderate, but by incorporating it into your diet, you can enjoy it as a natural stimulant for your desires and overall well-being. As you've seen, cinnamon is much more than just a spice. It supports your digestive health, protects your heart, boosts your immunity, and much more. But remember, it's all about moderation. Half a teaspoon a day is enough to enjoy its benefits without overdoing it. And above all, choose Ceylon cinnamon, often considered the purest and most beneficial. You can use it in powder form in your meals, drinks, or even as an essential oil, following the recommendations, of course. So which benefit surprised you the most? Share it in the comments and let me know if you already use cinnamon in your daily routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and most importantly, take care of yourself.